I'm back. Wow, it feels good to get out. I feel like I've been inside for like months. It hasn't been that long, but cheers. There's a trail that goes, it starts here. It's called the Fred Cusimano Trail, and it goes through 5 different forests, 27 miles, I believe the total is, just one way. So a lot of people park here because this is the beginning of it. I've been at the very end. I actually hiked half of it one time. So people park here and get out the car and walk the trail. They don't do the whole thing because they usually come back. But it's really never ever that busy. But this time it is. And then there's 2 little children who you'll probably hear them, who are very loud. So thank goodness they're not going to be here for the whole night, or I'd have to dress up like a bear and go down there. So I miss you guys, and I know I'm behind on watching you, but I've been in the ER twice this month, and they had me on a round of antibiotics, which worked. 2 weeks later, I got sick again, and it wasn't COVID, by the way. And they put me on something else. Apparently, my immune system didn't like the other one. Actually wasn't doing anything, so they put me back on the other one. I feel pretty good, but I had to go see a specialist, and I have to go get a surgery probably a couple months from now. But hopefully that rectifies everything. So my cancer, it actually, with the chemo and radiation, gets rid of the cancer, but it also could cause damage to an organ, and that's what happened. I got a couple of reviews coming up. I got an e-bike, and I got a wood chopper. So hopefully I'll be able to do one of the two out here. I'm just going to be here for overnight. So for dinner tonight, we've got a big old juicy ribeye steak. Although, man, the prices of meats have just gone up so high, I think we're going to just have to start eating hamburger helper instead of ribeye steaks. Get a fire, and it's early, but I'm starving. So I'll see you guys in a few. Well, I forgot my plate. I know I have washed it out, so we're eating in the pan. No biggie. Oh man, that's perfect. Of course, we're gonna have a lot to bring home. Let's taste. Perfecto. The mosquitoes are starting to get bad too. So this is my e-bike. I'm gonna be doing a full review on this, but I brought it out here camping with me to get used to it, learn how to operate it, learn how to operate the controls and stuff. So watch out for the video. What the hell is that noise? Oh, good morning. It was supposed to have rained this morning, and I got lucky. So it actually passed around or somewhere. It's turned out to be a beautiful day. So it was a short trip, very enjoyable though. Got to try out the e-bike. I'll do a separate review on that. I had my first spill, and if you hear shooting behind me, I don't think it's hunting season. I think it's too early, but I am in New York, so they may be different. Either that or they're target shooting. Whatever you do, don't miss. It seems like it's really close, but this is actually a gorge behind me, so it is echoing. So perfect weather last night. I actually took the sleeping bag off because it was like too warm, and I had the windows up, windows down in the front. I had the screens on them, so I let air in, and then I had my fan on. So thank you guys for sticking with me. I know I'm not putting out a lot of content all the time, but so I try to get out whenever I can. If you're new to the channel, make sure you hit that subscribe button, turn the bell on, and I'll see you on my next video.